Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy learning about Italian luxury yachts, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Today we're looking at a design concept to the market. At 115 feet 9 inches long with a 24 foot 7 inch beam, this vessel represents Azimut's approach to blending indoor and outdoor spaces. The Grande 36M first appeared at the Cannes Yachting Festival in 2022. What makes this yacht distinctive is its semi-walkaround upper deck. Unlike traditional yacht designs, this deck runs nearly flush from stern to bow, creating an uninterrupted walking path around the yacht at that level. The side windows on the upper deck are fully retractable, allowing the sky lounge to merge with the aft terrace and side decks. The yacht is constructed from fiberglass with carbon fiber elements in the superstructure and beach platform. This use of carbon fiber reduces weight while maintaining structural integrity. For propulsion, the Grande 36M offers MTU engine options with either 2200 or 2400 horsepower. The yacht achieves a top speed of 24 knots with a cruising speed around 18 to 20 knots. Range is approximately 1,200 to 1,500 nautical miles depending on cruising speed and conditions. At 260 gross tons, it stays below the 300 gross ton threshold. The accommodation layout includes 5 guest cabins that can host up to 10 guests, plus 4 crew cabins with separate crew areas. The crew uses separate pathways from guests for privacy. One notable layout option places the master cabin on the main deck rather than below, which is unusual for a yacht of this size. The main deck features an open plan design without a helm station at this level, maximizing space and creating seamless flow throughout. The interior uses walnut and light oak finishes, with floor-to-ceiling windows providing natural light and water views. The galley is centrally located and integrates with the dining area. The sky lounge on the upper deck offers flexibility in its configuration. It can serve as a dining area or can be fitted with an additional helm station. Large sliding glass doors on 3 sides plus a massive sliding roof create an indoor-outdoor pavilion effect when opened. At the bow, there's a glass whirlpool tub surrounded by sunbathing areas. The entire upper deck maintains a consistent floor level from stern to bow, making movements easy and safe. The aft deck features a fold-out beach club with a platform that can extend for water access. This fold-out design allows the transom to open, creating more usable space at water level. The beach club connects directly to certain VIP cabin layouts throughout private access. According to Azimut, the D2P hull combined with extensive carbon fiber use reduces fuel consumption and CO2 emissions by 20 to 30%. Compared to vessels of similar weight and size with traditional hard-chine hulls. The wave piercer bow design adds to efficiency by minimizing impact in various sea conditions while increasing waterline length. The carbon fiber isn't just about performance. It's also used to expand internal volume while maintaining the yacht's center of gravity. By concentrating carbon fiber on upper components, Azimut claims to reduce laminated component weight by up to 30% and decrease natural roll momentum by up to 15%. Storage includes space for water toys in the bulwarks and a tender garage with an electro-hydraulic opening system. The garage can accommodate a 5.5 meter tender or a combination of smaller tender and personal watercraft. The yacht includes a 260,000 BTU air conditioning system and air treatment unit. Azimut chose not to install opening portholes on the hull, creating what they describe as a quieter interior environment similar to larger ships. The Grande 36M sits between Azimut's Grande 26M and their larger Grande Tri-Deck 36M in the lineup. I have a video about the Tri-Deck. I'll go ahead and put the link right up in the upper right-hand corner. It represents their strategy of offering superyacht features and sizes that remain below certain regulatory thresholds while providing substantial interior volume. First units were built in 2022 and 2023, with several delivered to various markets including Asia. The yacht has received recognition in the industry, though specific sales numbers haven't been widely published. This yacht appeals to buyers who want modern Italian styling with the innovation of the semi-walkaround design and retractable windows creating flexible indoor-outdoor spaces. The focus is on creating what Azimut calls a barrierless lifestyle, where boundaries between interior and exterior spaces become minimal. So what did you think about this semi-walkaround deck concept? Would you prefer this open design with retractable windows, or do you favor more traditional enclosed skylounge layouts? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to see more yacht reviews. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you value what I do and want to help me out a little bit, please join the channel. I don't have a lot of rewards. It would just, financially help me out. I pretty much do this for the love and don't make much of any money on this channel. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.